and welcome to Let's Talk Daycare. Yes, let's talk daycare. Well, today I am doing an early show, and the reason why is because I'm closed today. Matter of fact, I took a couple of days off because hand, foot, and mouth is going around terribly. Hand, foot, and mouth is going around terribly in schools and in daycare centers, and especially in your home daycare. It is going around terribly. So I took a conscious decision to close. I took a conscious decision to close because, especially when it's in your home, this is your home, so you have to be very, very careful. One kid end up getting, and then another kid end up getting, and then when it's down to 3 or 4 kids end up getting this handful of mouth. I took a conscious decision and I said, it is time for me to close and disinfect. And I said, I'm sorry. Called my parents and I said, I'm sorry to call you at the last minute. I don't want to put anyone in jeopardy of losing their job or, in jeopardy of, putting them in a bad place because they have anyone not to watch their children. I said, but I think this is very important for us to make sure that our daycare is clean, sanitized, so this hand and foot and mouth will not keep going around and around and around and attaching to all kinds of surfaces in your house. So I said this is a good time for me just to make sure that I use these extra days to steam everything down and to clean everything down, because hand, foot, and mouth, it is very highly contagious. So I'm going to tell you a few symptoms of the hand, foot, and mouth. Okay, usually symptoms include a few days of fever, child not eating, 1 or 2 days later, maybe that child might get a painful mouth sore, may develop sore throat, just not feeling well, just not feeling, just not feeling himself, and you can really tell a kid who is not feeling well, a kid who usually be jumping all over the creation, flying through the house, flying through the daycare. You can't stop that child. And this few days, you notice this child is just not eating, don't want nothing to drink, just pretty much want to lay down, put his little head down on this desk, and just lifeless. That's giving you a clue that something is not right with that child. So usually you let the parent know that your child is not feeling good, and that he or she definitely needs to be seen by their physician, the children physician. The thing is about this hand, foot, and mouth is sometimes the kid might not get a fever. Sometimes the kid might not get the sores in the mouth, but some of them may develop a rash in different parts of the body. A rash on the butt, a rash on the legs, different parts of the body, the child can get a rash. And, that could be a symptom of the hand, foot, and mouth. We don't know. We're not doctors. So the best thing to do is to tell the parent is, I do think that you need to take the child and get the child checked out, because not only is we dealing with coronavirus, which children are getting this coronavirus very, very seriously. Not only is we dealing with that, we're dealing now with the hand, foot, and mouth. So we have to be very, very careful of that. So I made a conscious decision, because not only do I have to take care of all these wonderful children, I have to make sure that my husband is being taken care of, because this is our home. Not only is this our business, this is our home. And my husband suffered a stroke, a heart attack, and a brain bleed. And I do things sometimes just to make sure that, he will be okay. Because if he get down sick, how can I run a successful daycare and I'm trying to take care of him? So I have to make sure that I always think about him also. So I told my parents today And I know that, you know, a lot of them, you know, probably was like, wow, you know, who I'm gonna get to watch my children. But when I put, when they signed the contract, in my contract, I always put, make sure you have ultimate care, because you, alternative care, ultimate care, you just never know what may happen. So always make sure that you have someone that that child can go to, because you just never know. You can get sick as a daycare provider. You just never know. So that parents should always know, make sure that they have alternate care. So if you can't take care of that child, it could be someone else. So I want to send a shout out to Home Pro 200 steam cleaner, that I'm telling you, I had got this last year, and this is really my first time using this, because I had another steam cleaner that didn't do the job and it ended up breaking. And so I said, you know what? I got to go for the big boys. So shout out to Home Pro X200 steam cleaner. This is amazing. It's amazing, and I love it. I got the solution, already put the solution in, and we already know that kids, they love these little tablets, and it's the first thing that, you know, through, because we have ABC Mouse on these tablets. And when it's downtime, I let them go get a tablet, and each child got their own tablet, but sometimes they don't have their name on them. Sometimes the tablets could get mixed up. So you want to make sure that you steam down your tablet. So I'm steaming that down, and then I will just let that sit. Also, I used a solution. I love this Soil Guard. It's a disinfect without any chemicals in it. And I shout out to Melaleuca. I use that also when I'm cleaning the surfaces down also. But I just wanted to make sure that you guys are doing everything possible you can to take care of your health and wellness, so you can run a very safe, clean, in-home daycare environment. Because if we don't take care of us, who's going to take care of us so we can be able to take care of these wonderful children? So take care. God bless. And remember, please remember that I feel like something coming down my nose. So remember that we got to make sure that we take care of ourselves. We have to make sure that we take care of ourselves so we can be able to take care of these wonderful children. We don't want anyone sick. We don't want anyone sick, and we know that we could have did something to, you know, kind of, you know, stop so much of these germs. So, you know, even if you don't close, make sure you disinfect your place. Disinfect it, disinfect it, disinfect it. And also, like this video, comment and leave a comment to let us know how you like this. Let's talk daycare. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button and the bell, and every time I upload a wonderful video, you will know, you will hear, and you will know. So let's talk daycare. Let's talk daycare, and let's make sure we are taking care of our own self so we can be able to take care of those little angels that we have. So take care, and God bless.